Hare Krishna. I'll be reading about the pastimes of Jagannath Das Babaji, 1750 approximately to 1894. Vaishnava Sarvabhauma Shri Jagannathaya Te Namah. I offer my respectful obeisances to Srila Jagannath Das Babaji, who is respected by the entire Vaishnav community and who discovered the place where Lord Chaitanya appeared. There is no exact date of the appearance of Jagannath Das Babaji, but it has been calculated that he was born around the year 1750, and it was widely accepted that he lived for at least 144 years. He appeared in a very wealthy and high-class family in the district known as Tangel, East Bengal. As a child, his strong interest in spiritual life was apparent. Upon concluding his studies, Jagannath left home and went to the holy town of Vrindavan. Although raised in a high-class family, Jagannath was an extremely humble person. Once, while staying in Vrindavan, he accepted some bread offered to him by a simple road sweeper. Seeing this, the other Vaishnavas made criticisms. Babaji explained to them, "All devotees are so eager to the servants of this dust. So, what is wrong? All devotees are so eager to smear the dust of Vrindavan on their bodies. These sweepers are the servants of this dust. So, what is wrong with accepting prasad offered by them? They have been asked by Lord Krishna to take their birth here. Formerly, they were great sages." With this humble understanding, he won over the hearts of the Vaishnavas. Jagannath Das Babaji was a very straightforward preacher. Once there was a professional Bhagavatam speaker who came to see him. The Bhagavatam speaker was famous as a great singer, and therefore he attracted many followers. In a very direct way, Babaji explained to the man, "Those who earn money from speaking the Srimad Bhagavatam are no better than the women who sell themselves to men." His preaching changed the heart of the man, who gave up his way of life and became a very sincere devotee with no care for material things. Jagannath Das Babaji first met Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in 1881 at Vrindavan. At that time, Jagannath was around 105 years old. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, although already initiated, was so impressed by his instructions that he later accepted him as a Shiksha Guru. Around the year 1887, Jagannath moved to a small village near Mayapur called Amala Joda. He was often visited by Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who was working nearby as at Krishnanagar. They loved to discuss Krishna Katha together. Sometime later, Jagannath moved to Navadvip. There he lived with his faithful servant Bihari Das in a grass hut near Surbhi Kunj in Godram. At that time, he developed a close friendship with Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who had moved into the area. Once in Navadvip, a stray dog came and stayed close to Jagannath's hut. The dog was pregnant and one day gave birth to 5 small puppies. When Babaji took prasad, the 5 puppies came and sat around his plate. After finishing his meal, he gave them what was left, his Mahaprasad. One day, Bihari got very annoyed with the puppies and hid them when it was time for prasad. Babaji noticed that the puppies were not there. So he called Bihari and asked, Bihari, what happened to the puppies? At first, Bihari refused to tell where he had hidden them. But then Babaji said, I will not take any prasad until you tell me where they are. Not wanting to displease his spiritual master, Bihari fetched the dogs, and Babaji fed both the mother and the 5 puppies with prasad from his own hand. He told Bihari that these dogs were not ordinary dogs, but inhabitants of the holy Dham and very special devotees. From time to time, people came and offered donations to Jagannath Das Babaji, who, although not collecting the money for himself, kept it in an old clay pot. Sometimes Bihari secretly put some of the money aside for Babaji's personal needs. Babaji knew about it, even though he couldn't see. He gently asked Bihari, Why are you taking the money? Bihari laughed, but Babaji continued, I know, you have taken 12 rupees. Bihari immediately gave back the money. He knew that his Guru Maharaj had his own plans for using it. One time he had spent 200 rupees to buy rasagullas for the cows of Navadvip. The force of time acted on Babaji's body but not his spirit. At an advanced age, his body doubled over, forcing him to walk only with great difficulty, and his eyelids would not open. By Krishna's grace, his able-bodied servant Bihari would carry him everywhere on his shoulders in a bamboo basket. When they came before the deity, Bihari would carefully lift Jagannath's drooping eyelids so he could have darshan. Jagannath Das Babaji was very fond of chanting the holy names of the Lord. Sometimes he would chant non-stop for 3 days without sleeping or eating. Whenever he heard a kirtan, he would jump out of his basket and start dancing. He would experience great spiritual pleasure, and the limbs of his body would grow longer. Some say he would look exactly like Lord Chaitanya dancing. On one occasion, Bhaktivinoda Thakur invited Jagannath to a place he suspected could be the lost birth site of Lord Chaitanya. Upon arriving, Babaji leapt out of his basket, chanting and dancing. This was indeed confirmation. Many devotees approached Jagannath Das Babaji to become his disciples. To test their sincerity, he would first ask them to do some service. Most of them would run away because they were not ready. In this way, he could see who was fit to be his disciple. Once a man came and asked for initiation, but Babaji flatly refused. The man was so determined that for 3 days he stayed outside Babaji's grass hut without eating anything. On the 4th day, Babaji asked Bihari to bring the man in and gave him Babaji initiation. Jagannath Das Babaji was considered to be one of the topmost devotees of his time. He was initiated by Sri Madhusudan Das Babaji, the grand disciple of Srila Baldev Jagannath Das Babaji. At the age of 146 years old, he left his body and went back to Lord Krishna's abode, where he serves as Rasik Manjari. Jagannath Das Babaji ki jai. Thank you. Hare Krishna.